Hey, gamers, if you're tired of seeing that DirectX Error Code 0X887A0005 in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and getting constant crashes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you only working solutions to fix this issue, so you can get back in the game without interruptions. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. This is one of the most common causes of DirectX errors in games. Updating your drivers can often fix bugs and compatibility issues with DirectX, so give this a try first. Next, try running Black Ops 6 in DirectX 11 mode instead of DirectX 12. Here's how. Right-click on Black Ops 6 in your game library. Select Properties greater than General and the Launch Options box. Type ED3D11 to force the game to use DirectX 11. Switching to DirectX 11 can solve issues for those whose systems struggle with the DirectX 12 demands or compatibility. Increasing your virtual memory can help if the crashes are related to a lack of system resources. Here's how you can do this. Finally, verify your game files to ensure there's no file corruption. Here's how you can do this. On Steam, right-click on Black Ops 6, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Battle.net, go to your game library, click on Options under Black Ops 6, and select Scan and Repair. Verifying the game files will replace any corrupted or missing files, which can fix crashes caused by broken game data. One last step is to fix DX version and C++ redistributable. Here's how you can do this.